Hello and welcome to another of these short little intros to new features in TeamKinetic 2.6. This one is going to introduce the folders for resources, which is something that I know a few of our customers have been waiting for a while, so it's glad to get this out of the door. So you're all familiar with the resources that you can add to volunteers and providers here, but what we can do now is create folders for them. So here we have a bunch of folders that we've already created for volunteers and providers. You can obviously delete and add folders from this point and give it a target. And then when you're adding a resource, everything's still the same. Is it for volunteers or providers? Which folders it go in for providers and volunteers? And the rest is all the same. So the only new bit is here when you choose which folder it goes in. When you're looking at the resources here, you can see they're split into folders, and then to a section at the bottom, which is no folder, which is just the root resources that are in the root folder. Obviously, we want to see how that looks on the volunteer side, so we're going to go and find a volunteer and impersonate them, so you can see what it looks like. So here we are on the volunteers dashboard. It's going to load up in a second. And the resource area is in the same place as here. But you can see we've got this folder guide now. So these are all the resources which aren't in a folder. But then if we look in these individual folders, you can see it appears. But it doesn't add anything new to the types of resources you can add. It just is a great aid for organizing those resources. And because over time, people can end up with many tens of files and links and things in this area. So it's fantastic that you can now group them together into folders. That's it for this one. Nice simple one this time. Keep an eye out for the other quick videos about the new features. There's also a blog which has way more detail about each of these features and covers most of the new major things you'll see. And don't forget, you can always log on to the beta site and mess around with these features anytime you like if you don't want to risk any changes to your own site. We encourage people to do that. The demo site is also available. That has the login details when you go to the login page. And again, there you can mess around to your heart content and they will get or reset, deleted after 1 hour. Look out for the next ones and we'll see you soon. Bye.